You don't belong in there.
Can you read this? Oh my god!
Hey, you're gonna...
Hey, Nala, you try not to make eye contact?
Autrefois, j'étais naïf.
Oh my god! Hey, what's up?
No, no.
No, you're evil. Evil, evil. Oh!
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Mila! Mila! Quit! Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Tucker, place.
Oh god.
Is it time for smelling salts?
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh
I thought it was a boca.
Dad, can we keep it?
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
What are you doing? Hi. Oh,
Look where the hell she at. We done looked all through the neighborhood. We done drove everywhere. Look where the damn dog at. Yeah, and you know you're in trouble. Why the hell would you be in here?
At this point, orangutans are basically just very hairy people.
Oh, she's filming. Fica pra cá.
Tu vois ça, Vesna, Risotto, il s'est coincé la tête dans mon abat-chaud. Well, who's that going to?
Some friendships really
Parker, look what she's brought you.
At least they rang the doorbell instead of just walking in. They grow bigger every month, but never outgrow the puppy energy.
You're trying, aren't you, baby?
Really? Oh my goodness.
Please don't fart.
She already knows every human trick in the book.
Pablo's not gonna fucking throw it to you. His hands are full.
That stick is way too big, which is exactly why he wants it.
What are you doing, bro?
If you love animals as much as we do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time. That chaos is a lifestyle. If pure joy was a dog, it would probably be a golden retriever.
Acorda, cara.
The best nap of his life right there.
You're my new best friend. Oh, hello. Hello. This way. Come on. She's so cute. Good girl, Sam. Stay.
This dog has a very unusual way of stealing toys.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
If it's breakable, cats are automatically interested.
You gotta lay it down. You're a jerk. You're ruining my plan.
You're gonna pop it.
Look at the side profile.
Luffy, you're gonna. Oh, he punctured it.
Yeah, his teeth are in it. Girl.
Steven, what are you doing? This is a monkey frog, and they are so freaking cool because they literally not just hop, but they walk.
Get out of the way.
Oh. caterpillars.
Some caterpillars travel in lines like this to stay safe and avoid getting lost.
Oh, they're all coming from there.
Ага. Дуська, Сима повела Дуську.
Look how you're sitting. Skin shady. I think you forgot to get your leg.
Go for a walk? Huh? Go for a walk? Let's go for a walk! Ah!
Yeah.
Yeah, this dog definitely needs a new toy. You can literally see him considering bad ideas.
No! No! What are you doing? Over! Right now! Are you keeping this? Over!
Oh my god.
Trusting a monkey that much is a bold move.
To anybody having a bad day, just know that Benny put his freaking ball through this hole and he's refusing to leave. So I've been here for 20 minutes trying to push it out of the other side. Look how disgusting this water is. Ben! I'm helping!
Pure happiness apparently smells like grass and nap time.
I won't play with you, you can't.
She just wants to be friends with everything. Did you know oxpeckers feed on parasites like ticks and flies, helping keep animals like buffalo clean? Retrievers
Can we have that back, please? Mace. Oh no. Oh no. Drop it. Drop it. Good.
Aww. Come on, Tree. We're coming in.
And I let Winnie out of her kennel. Hi, Winnie. And I noticed those are the normal toys she has in her kennel. And I look over. I've never seen this toy before. Because it's a block of ice from the backyard.
Some cats really know how to make a situation feel uncomfortable. Monkeys are basically what happens when curiosity meets zero fear.
It's okay. I know you're. I know.
No, you jumped over these double bacon.
Don't you dare do that! Don't you dare eat those toes!
Did I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
Stop. Cut! Fucking Kyle!
No.